Today, we're going to build a Hammerhead Corvette using 23 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with my favorite piece, the Travis brick, and then we have that big old open end of our Travis brick. That'll be the back of our Hammerhead Corvette, which means the top stud is now our front stud. And on that front stud, I'm going to grab this 1x1 round brick, put that round brick onto our front stud, and then on top of the round brick, I'm going to attach a 1x1 cone, put that cone right there on our round brick. And then on the cone piece, I kind of had a little fun here. I grabbed this flower piece. I love this orange flower piece with just like kind of the rigid ends instead of like a nice smooth. So if you don't have this flower piece, just use a 1x1 round plate with open stud. But I really love this flower piece and how it just kind of, it gives it more texture than just a smooth Lego piece. And then once I've got that flower piece on, I'm gonna grab a 1x2 plate. And the anti-stud of that 1x2 plate is going to go in the hole of that flower piece. And once it's got that attached, now we just kind of curve up the front of our Corvette here so it can ram other enemy ships. And to do that, we're going to grab 2 of these cheese wedge slopes and put it so the thin end of the cheese wedge slope is on the end and it slopes up to the center. And when we do that twice, we kind of create that curved front of the Hammerhead Corvette as it rams into another ship. And now what we have to do is create those big old engines in the back that give it the thrust to do some major damage. And to do that, we're going to grab this 1x1 round plate with 1L bar. And what I'm going to do next is grab 2 of these 1x1 round plates with open stud. And the reason I got that open stud is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottom of that plate and just put it on that bar all the way and just kind of get it as tight as possible. It's going to be hard to get on and off, but you really want to get that close to the round plate so it looks like a solid piece. You don't have like a little bar sticking out. And so we don't have a bar over here. Grab another one of those 1x1 round plates, put it onto the bar so they attach. And then to give it like a little engine glow as it's ramming its enemy, I've got this 1x1 tile piece in translucent yellow to be like the power coming out the ends, and put that on. Here's one engine. Now we need to do this 4 times, and I've already created my other ones just so you don't have to watch me and you can start building. I know, counterintuitive, right? YouTube, watch, but I want you to start building. So what we're going to do is grab these engine pieces, put the round plate onto each of the studs left over on my Travis bricks. I just do that all the way around my Travis brick till I get all 4 of my engines attached, and then I've got my Hammerhead Corvette ready to ram some enemy ships with pure force.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.